what's up guys? Basit Bosan here, and today we are going to see something very different. A concrete Google Pixel 2 XL. A very good introduction. Now let's move on to the important part. And this is how the concrete Google Pixel 2 XL looks. See, with this phone is actually a just black version of Pixel 2 XL. So applying a concrete wrap from Dbrand, you get this, uh, you could say a colored button in black. And from here top is a matte black, and that's also from Dbrand, and there is also a Google colored logo. This is a textured and this is plain, but there is one sad thing, you could say, that this button is less clicky and less prominent because of after applying this skin it protrudes out less. I could even have an option for going to with glossy back this part if I bought a slick wrap, but for me this matte finish looks even more good. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and give your valuable feedback.